Morning.
Good morning.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss. I'm Ainul. She is my roommate Zana. We were the person who called your firm yesterday to inform about the issues that we have faced lately.
Okay, thank you for coming in today. I heard about the problem that you guys been having with the house that you bought 2 years ago. So can you please tell me more about the issues?
Well, how should I start? There's some leakage every time it rains, and I also noticed some cracks forming on the walls, which our main worry right now. The leakage also formed some mold on the ceiling, which caused my asthma to worsen, and my laptop also damaged because of the leaking.
Yeah, I'm deeply concerned that this crack could worsen over time, leading to more extensive damage and potentially affecting the safety and the entire structures of the house.
Flashback.
What is this? Where is it come from? Oh my god, my room.
Oh my god, where does water come from? Oh my god, what's wrong with my laptop?
End of flashback.
That sounds quite a big deal. Have you tried contacting and informed the developer about these issues?
Not yet. We have informed the developer because we would like to seek the legal advice from you before we proceed the next action.
I see. Before we proceed, can I have the documentation or the sales purchase agreement with the housing developer?
Yes, I need everything.
Okay. For your information, under Housing Development Act, the defect liability period spans is 18 months, starting from the receipt of the keys, and during this time, the buyer developer is obligated to repay workmanship is covered at no cost to the buyer. You can also make a claim on breach of contract, which is accordance with Section 74 of Contract Act 1950. An innocent party may claim damage from the party in breach in respect of all breaches of contract.
I see. So even though we have bought the house about 3 years ago, however, we just resided the house about 3 months only, and it's impossible to see that the crack and the leakage sources is from our activities.
If that is so, I would like to propose for you to enter into negotiation with the housing developer first. You can discuss with the developer until you are able to reach a mutual agreement solution. I think they can understand it. Alternatively, if the negotiation did not succeed, you may lodge a complaint to the housing tribunal.
So what can the housing tribunal do in our cases?
In your case, the home buyer tribunal can enforce an award up to 50,000 ringgit. In accordance with Section 16 and 1 of the Housing Development Act. Section 19 of the law also outlined the consequence of housing developer who fail to meet their obligation, including fines and imprisonment. And Section 11 also empowers the minister to intervene to protect the interests of purchaser, providing legal backing for buyers to seek resolution. Therefore, your rights and interests are secured and protected. However, I think negotiation is the best resolution method that can give benefit for both parties, you and the housing developer.
I really appreciate your guidance on this. Thank you very much.
Okay, it's my pleasure, Miss Zana and Miss Ainul.
Meanwhile.
What happened here? I've just received complaint from our buyer in Murabang report about the damage in our house. Aina, you are the project manager for this project. So, please explain to me what happened. Shut up. I want to hear her first.
Actually, boss, we have been aware about this issue and we have heard about the complaint. But however, this project is about 2 years ago and we did not expect that such thing will happen. Like Miss Akila, right?
Yes, Miss Aina.
So I think that the best solution is we will pay a visit first to their house to seek for maybe there is another reason for that to happen.
Yes, boss. We will inspect the house tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. My name is Raina Akila as the project manager of this house, and
I'm Nur Akila as the contractor.
And today we are going to do inspection of the house that because we have been informed that you have suffered some crack and leaking on the room and the wall too.
Yes.
So we would like to do some inspection before we are going to bring this matter further to our boss.
Yes.
Hi. Hi, my name is Raina Nadi Abdullah as the project manager of this house.
Thank you for today. Thank you for today.
Thank you for coming here. Yeah.
So we will try our best to settle this problem as soon as possible.
Yeah. So the picture that we have taken, we will bring to our boss to make sure that she understands what is going on inside your house and the suffering that you have going through right now.
I hope this problem can be solved as soon as possible.
Yeah. Where do you think that this crack come from?
I think the crack come from the material that we order
Yeah.
and
I think that maybe the installation of the part.
yeah.
Because you know, just look at the picture.
Yeah.
The crack is so big, and I don't think that the crack and the leaking come from the activities because they just like stay there about 1 year only. And how come that crack come in a minute just like that? So I think that maybe the material that we have to use.
I agree with you. Then that will become a big problem for us.
Yeah.
The boss will meet at us.
Oh my god, I'm so afraid.
Berbumbungkan angkasa ke labu, lantainya bumi retak seribu. Setiap langkah perjalanan.
Boss, we will take for responsibility for our action, boss. We acknowledge that our negligence has compromised the integrity of the house, and we are deeply sorry for the inconvenience and distress it has caused to the purchaser.
Sorry, what sorry can you give to me? You know, sorry will not fix this mess. Our reputation is in danger right now.
We understand, boss, the risk that we will facing out, but we will ensure that we try our best to settle this issue, and we promise that this thing will not happen again. Every problem have their solution.
Alright, I have been knowledge that the house has been constructed 2 years ago and already resided for 1 year. And according to sale and purchase agreement, our warranty for this project already expired, and that means we did not have to provide free repair for them. So what is your solution for this issue?
I think, boss, even though we have the sale and purchase agreement that provided that there will be no free repairs for them anymore if the date has been expired. However, I think that to save our reputation of our firm, of construction firm, I think that the best way is to provide negotiation session with them to find a solution, or maybe there will be solution that they would be able to agree for.
Yes, I agree with it. Perhaps we are able to negotiate with them. The best solution that can favor both sides.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mizan and Ainul. Thank you for coming. I already heard about the problem from my team, and I'm really sorry about that. First of all, again, I want to say sorry about this matter because after we do the investigation and we agree that the fault is on our side.
We understood about it, but you say this is your fault, so I think you should take responsibility for this matter.
Yeah, I agree with Zana.
Yeah, we know what you want to say, but we cannot do anything right now. Why not if you tell us what do you want? Maybe we can consider it.
As Anna said before, clearly, we just want you to take fully responsibility for this issue. If you cannot do anything, why not we bring this problem to the court?
How about Miss Ainul and Miss Zana? As I said, the warranty already expired. So, I did not think court will accept this case. Let me think first. Honestly, under HDA, the defect liability period spans 18 months starting from the receipt of the case, and during this time, the developer is obligated to repair faulty workmanship discovered at no cost to the buyer. And if you want to say they are breach of contract, I did not think so because according to SNP agreement, the warranty already expired.
So you want to say that you cannot do anything?
Actually, by our discretion, we can only offer to provide contractor for you since the crack and leakage come from our negligence. However, we will not bear the cost and it's on your own. What do you think?
I think it's good enough. What about you, Ainun?
Even though it is not what I want, but if it's the only way, why not? So what we need to do right now?
I can see there's a lot of work that needs to be done here. Do you have a budget that you have set aside to repair?
We've made rough estimate, but we also want to hear from your suggestion on what need to be prioritized and how much it will cost.
Of course, we will need to conduct a thorough assessment first and then work together to build a repair plan. We also strive to find a cost-effective yet effective solution for you guys.
That would be helpful. I want to ensure that our house can be repaired properly without spending too much money.
We will do our best to provide solutions that align with your needs and the budget you have.
We also want to ensure that the work is done with good quality and we don't want to face the same issue again in future.
Alright, we completely understand your concern. We'll ensure that the work we do is high quality and meets the necessary standards.
Thank you, Miss Aina, Miss Hakila, and Miss Masita for your commitment to helping us fixing our house.
Alright, you are welcome, Zana and Ainul. We'll start the assessment process immediately and provide progress update to you as soon as possible.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
24 hours later.
I think after this we should have a photography session.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Let's go for recognition.
You are my everything 별처럼 쏟아지는